You may find that you've got a problem when you go to open up your map project, your MXD file at home. I'll show you what I mean. I've just opened up something that I've been working on a different computer, and I've noticed that there's these red exclamation marks here next to each one of the layers. And if I try to just zoom to the layer and see if I can find it, it doesn't seem to let me want to do that. It's not letting me zoom to the layer, and obviously the map is not displaying anywhere here. The reason this often happens if you're moving data about is because you've changed the drive letter on your computer, and this particularly happens when you're using a USB stick. The computer is trying to find these in a particular location, in exactly the same location as they were previously, and of course if you've moved them or if the USB connects on a different drive, the link is broken to the data inside the Geo database. So therefore you're getting this red exclamation mark, and of course they're greyed out as well, which means that they will not display. The easiest way we can solve this is to just go and reconnect the data together, so it's quite straightforward. You just double click on it, and then we're going to go to this layer properties here, and we're going to go to the source, and this is where it's looking for it here. So it's looking for it inside this Geo database. But I know that this is in a different location, so this is the reason we're getting this red exclamation mark. So all I need to do is to reset the source. I just need to navigate to the location here. In your case it may well be on a different drive letter because your USB stick is probably on a different drive letter to what it was when you were at college. So I'm just going to go and see if I can find the data. So I think it's here, and I think my Geo database is in here. So there it is, Geo database is there, and I can check what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the 10K, and there it is, 10K. So if I go OK and I add that and then apply, there we go, the map has reappeared and my red exclamation mark has also disappeared. So again, I can just go back and reconnect this one as well, which is again from the same location. So of course this is quite quick if you've got everything inside the same Geo database, because all you've got to do is reconnect everything back. So just make sure you reconnect the right one. So again, OK, and that's going to be added as well. And the last one I can do the rights of way as well in the same location. Rights of way, add that, and OK, and there we go. Everything is back to how it was before, and all I have to do now is do a save up here. And then that will remember those new locations and will save all of the links back to the data inside the Geo database.